Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is September 17th, 2024, also known as AFO, a market day in Igbo land. A day of blessings, of great gifts from the wind, water, and sand that contain all the good things that humans need to upgrade their lives, for betterment. You are highly blessed and empowered to be creative with your brains and 5 fingers, to beautify the earth by supporting humanity, to live a comfortable life in a good environment, to witness the beauty of the universe via the existence of the wind, water, and sand. Our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and languages used to monitor every activity on earth, without a mistake to avoid blacklist here and after death. Truly, we are safe and secure to be here on earth. Always be kind to your fellow humans, the love of the Creator of the wind, water, and sand that sustains humans to live and be creative each day of their lives. Receive your today's gift and be creative in your business and working place. Be safe and be blessed, Isa, meaning so shall it be. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as the wind, water, and sand, the blessings of the universe, Onye Ndu. Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.